Hola, dear parents. I hope you all are doing great. My dear children, you are also busy with your exams and concert and everything. So, hello everyone. I'm back here. So today we will be discussing about having a hobby. Okay. So, firstly, those who are having their hobby, they know what hobby is. They can just comment down below. Let me know what are your hobbies, what are the things that you like to do. And those who are not having, those children who are not having any hobby, or even the parents who are not having any hobby, so I'll be elaborating about it today. So what is a hobby? Hobby is basically a activity that you like to do in your free time, or you're passionate about doing it, so you make extra efforts for doing that activity. So what do you do if you don't have any hobby, anything like any activity like in which you feel like doing this? uh, it can be anything like singing, dancing, or playing any sport like table tennis and guitar, anything. So if you are into this, congratulations. And if you are not into this, so please pick up a hobby by itself today only. And it can be learned in several ways. You can use social media, or you can also go to different classes for learning these activities. And what is the use of this hobby? What is the use of these hobbies is basically that it builds confidence in ourselves. It also helps us to think out of the box what we can do by ourselves. Suppose someone is learning guitar, so they can produce, or they can create their own music, or they can compose their background musics by themselves. Suppose someone is playing tabla, or someone is into playing table tennis, so they can just explore different pattern or different ways of playing it. Okay. So it basically, what a hobby does to us, it basically it involves in our confidence, and it also helps in the personality development. Along with it also makes us more active in our senses. Okay. And it also reflects our personality, that what kind of uh, hobby we want to take. Like suppose if you are playing chess, okay, you are into chess, so what kind of personality you will be having? You will be very sharp and quiet, and you will be like very uh, observant to the things. And suppose you are into music, so what you will do, you will be learning into different musics, and you will be taking that notes and all. So different kinds of hobbies require different kind of practices. And also the it also enhances our life, or it also enhances how we look, how we talk, and it develops everything. So having a hobby in present time is something that you can do for yourself. And if you just love it, like doing that work, or doing thing that activity for a like you feel like doing that without making efforts, like you whenever you are free, you do that thing. Okay. So you can choose it as a profession also when you grow up. So today only make a list of all the activities that you like, and please choose any three most activity top most activities that you would like to do. So you will be able to bifurcate your time to those activity. After 1 week or 2 week, you will be able to identify that what is your hobby. So let's uh, target for this for today, that you will be choosing your hobby this week. And please comment down below, so that I can also come with aware that which hobby you are going to choose. Okay. Stay happy, keep on learning. Thank you.